On this video, I'm gonna be explaining to you guys how you and your friends can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, meditating, practicing art, and lots of more. This is May 12th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 308 of consistently helping people build consistency. So here's the thing. I can send memes and funny videos every single day to my friends. And also my friends, they send me funny memes, funny videos every single day through my DMs. Why do we do this? Because we want each other to be happy. Okay? And then I'm going to be telling you guys how we can precisely use the same principle in order to help us be consistent with our friends. Again, we want our loved ones, we want our friends to be happy, okay? For example, when it comes to memes, I see some, funny memes and then I go, ha 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 ha, this is so funny. I also want my friends, I also want my loved ones to experience the same joy, okay? I also want them to laugh too, okay? So what do? I send them the memes. And also the same thing happened at them. They want to see me be happy. They also want to, make me happy. That's why they send me the memes that they think it's funny. Okay? So, under the same reasoning, under the same logic that, hey, we do these things because we want each other to be happy, we are going to be applying the same logic in building consistency. I'm sure that you want your friends, right, your loved ones to have the happy life, okay, to have the happy life. And also I'm sure the people that actually cared about you, they also want you to have the happy life, okay. And a happy life, in order to cultivate the happy life, in order to create the good life, you need to be consistent at doing positive things. You need to have some good habits. You also need to live the negative habits. Basically, if you can send memes every single day to your friends, and also your friends can send memes to you every single day under the reasoning because you guys want each other to be happy, well then you guys can also ask each other through your chats, okay, through your DMs, about whether have you actually done the positive things consistently today. Ask the progress to your friends. Maybe your friend is passionate about exercising, maybe your friend is passionate about some sport. Ask them on a day-to-day basis, okay, about their progress. And also just consistently compliment them, like in a sense support them, give them positive reinforcement regarding the thing that they do, okay, the thing that they consistently do. Well, you know what, you actually show up to the gym today, bro. Wow, that's so cool. You increase your bench press, like you are getting stronger every single day. Wow, bro, you actually, show up to play the basketball today. Wow, that's really great. You are, doing, I believe you are doing great. And even if you don't really perform that great today, I'm still proud of you because you show up, you have some consistency. Basically, we became the accountability partner, okay? Accountability friends to our friends. We keep each other in track, okay, on doing the positive things. And again, this might feel pretty awkward in the beginning, okay? Okay, if you just suddenly just became this, really supportive to your friends, just ask them about their progress on being consistent and stuff, it might feel okay. It might there's a probability of it feeling awkward, and your friends just got confused. But why don't you just explain to them? Okay, explain to them in a good manner. Okay, explain the urgency, explain the reasoning why you do this. Okay, so maybe like if I want to do it to one of my friend, right, my close friends, I'm gonna be approaching them and just say, hey, you know what, bro? Like, I know you are struggling with being consistent at exercising. I'm also currently struggling at being consistent at exercising. Well, you know what? I want you to have a happy life because I care about your future. I want you to be healthy. Okay, I want you to be able to still be active even on your in your 80s. Okay, and I believe you also want to see me be happy, right? And one of the aspects of being happy is being healthy, right? We want to see each other be healthy. We want to be friends for a long time, and we want to see each other be healthy in our old days. So hey, if I can send memes every single day to you, and also you can send memes every single day to me, why cannot we just, ask each other about our progress on being consistent at exercising? Why don't we share our progress? Why don't we support each other on a day-to-day basis? Okay, we don't necessarily need to exercise together every single day. No, just make it flexible. Okay, if we can exercise together, that's good. But on a day-to-day basis, why don't we just, at least ask the progress, whether we are still consistent or not, and maybe, give some positive encouragement. Okay, so basically, we support each other on the long run on doing positive things together. Okay, basically become an accountability partner. And maybe every once in a month, you guys just create some meet up, okay, to basically just share the progress and also celebrate the progress of being consistent on a day-to-day basis, share the challenges that you experiences and the obstacles and so on and so on. And basically, yes, just support each other. Okay, when we precisely know that somebody actually cared about our progress, about us being consistent at doing something, the probability of us actually sticking to that thing is going to be higher. One, because hey, somebody actually care about the thing that I do, and two, we do not want to disappoint them. We do not want to, when our friends ask us, hey, bro, are you still consistent today? We do not want to just say that, you know what, bro, I'm really lazy to exercise today. I cannot even do 5 push-ups. Not because I'm sick or anything, it's just because I'm lazy. We do not want to give them that kind of answer, right? So yeah, basically that's how you stay consistent with your friends together by supporting each other. It can be something as simple as just, asking on the chat, asking on the DMs. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Join our Discord. Also, you can support my long form works on long form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. And yeah, and for today's date, Authenticity post today's May 12th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a I don't know what I want post last 24 hours GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days later because I need to edit it first. Thank you.